Did you know that hiccups are still a bit of a mystery? They happen when your diaphragm suddenly contracts, causing you to inhale sharply, and then your vocal cords snap shut, creating that iconic hic sound. Scientists believe this involuntary reflex might be your body's way of protecting your lungs. Some common triggers include eating too quickly, drinking carbonated beverages, or even sudden excitement. Interestingly, while most hiccups last just a few minutes, some can linger for days. So next time you find yourself hiccuping, remember, your body is just having a little fun with you.